Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Patty Brewer, Chief Product Officer for Linqto, Private Investing Made Simple. According to McKinsey & Company, investing in private companies before they go public offers the highest returns of any asset class. Yet only 1 to 2% of qualified investors have invested in private equity. Why is that?
Limited access, high minimum investments, and lack of liquidity have prevented the vast majority of accredited investors from the opportunity to generate significant wealth by investing in private equity. Linqto democratizes private equity investing with our web and mobile app. Through a simple point-click invest interface, we open up access to the world's leading unicorns to all accredited investors who either couldn't access these opportunities in the past or the six-figure minimum investments were just out of reach. We offer this access to these companies for very low minimum investments of $5,000 to $10,000. So let's take a look at the platform. I'm going to show you the platform with another new and upcoming feature, which is our Wealth Advisor Access. I know we have some wealth advisors here in the audience. As a wealth advisor, you now can diversify your client's portfolio using private equity and investing on their behalf on Linqto. So here I am, I'm logged in as an investment advisor, and I'm going to make a purchase for my client, Jane. Now I can come in and I can see her portfolio. I can take a look at all the companies available on the platform. What's unique here is that Linqto is a principal investor of every company on our platform. We do the due diligence. We look at the top unicorns in the fastest growing sectors. We invest first. So we buy large blocks of shares, and then we package them up in the form of unit subscriptions, which is what we sell on our platform. And that's how we solve the problem of both access and affordability with the investments on our platform. So today, for my client Jane, I'm going to buy some Whoop. Whoop is a fitness tracking monitor popular with professional athletes. Here I'm looking at the information we provide. There's some research analysis provided by our partner, CB Insights. And I can go ahead and place an order. Now I'm just going to buy the minimum of 5,000, but I could use the slider to select the number of shares. So I click Next. We provide multiple payment options, but through an integration we've done with Uphold, I can actually use Jane's Uphold wallet to fund her Linqto investment. Uphold provides anything to anything exchange for virtual purchases, including on Linqto. She's got a fair amount in her Bitcoin account, so I'm going to use that. And Uphold will actually exchange the Bitcoin into US dollars, transfer it to Linqto, all instantaneously. So next, I just take a look at the order, make sure everything's looking good. There are an operating agreement that I can review. And I just confirm the order, and I've got to do a little, and that's it. Jane now owns equity in Whoop. And we can see that right here. Now, what's unique about Linqto is that we provide real-time access to the shares purchased on the platform, unlike what can take several months if you're purchasing private equity through the secondary market through a broker. We have already done the transfer of the shares from the issuer. So again, we can set the price, and we can set how many shares we want to make available. Okay, so we've just looked at the way we provide access and affordability on the platform for private equity investing. Now I'm going to show you our new feature, liquidity. We are now allowing our investors to sell their holdings, either some or all of their holdings, to other investors on the platform. So I'm back on my dashboard, and I've been speaking with my client, Bill. Bill says he needs $20,000 to help fund his daughter's wedding. So I reviewed his portfolio, both on and off Linqto, and I'm suggesting he sell $20,000 worth of Ripple. That will still leave him with $30,000, so when Ripple does have an exit, he'll benefit from the equity that he's accumulated. But I'm going to go ahead and set up a sell offer. So now there will be a button here, and I click that. And the first thing I do is I set the price. I can see here that the last price of Ripple on the platform was $39. Current active offers are also $39. So I want to make sure these sell first. I'm going to go 10 cents lower. And then I go ahead and select the number of shares to make it 20,000. Okay, a little bit over. And then I just review the summary. Again, there's some documentation, and that's pretty much it. And now I've just set up an offer to sell those shares on the platform, and those shares will be available to investors that come on looking to buy Ripple. When the sale is completed, both I and Bill will get a notification that the sale's been made, and the proceeds will be transferred to Bill's Linqto account. So with Linqto, I, as the investment advisor, became a hero to my client Bill, who needed the $20,000, and Bill is a hero to his daughter, who's now going to get the wedding of her dreams. So everybody's happy. Linqto's core principle is private investing made simple. We want to make it easy for every accredited investor to get the access, the affordability, and the liquidity of private equity investing that I've shown you here today. So please stop by our booth. We are having a special Finovate. So any of you who are accredited investors can come by and sign up, and we're going to give you $1,000 Linqto, which you can apply towards a future purchase. And that goes for wealth advisors as well. So please stop by our booth, and thank you very much.